Is there a Temu new user glitch to get unlimited money? Well, unless you're some hacker, there's no real glitch or hack to make unlimited money on Temu. But I've got a smart method that works almost like a glitch. So here's how it works. First, go to the Temu's referral program where they offer cash, free gifts, or coins. Right now, I'm going to the affiliate page, and then after that, click the invite button and copy your unique referral link. And then, share this link with friends or family who don't have Temu yet. So on social media, messaging apps, or anywhere. So right now, I'm going to use the Instagram and then paste my unique link and then tell them to download Temu and create new account and sign up using your referral link. And then ask them to share your own referral link with other new users who don't have Temu. This creates a chain where every new user invites another new user and so on, growing your referral rewards exponentially. And if you start multiple referral chains by inviting a new friends, each one can keep building their own chain. Your only job is to kickstart these chains. Then the rewards multiply by themselves. It's not a hack, but it's a clever way to grow your earnings from Temu's referral program. And that's it. Thank you for watching.